Hello traders, my name is Dane Barrett and today I'm going to share with you a strategy that's good well enough for trading Forex and both binary options. Okay, let's get started. As you can see, currently I'm on the GBP Australian dollar pair. Also I have beside me the USD Japanese pair. What I'm trying to get at is that you can use this to trade any currency pair of your choosing as long as you follow the rules. The reason why I choose the GBP Australian dollar currency pair is because it offers a better trend. It's a trending pair. Majority of other currency pairs, it range a bit from time to time. Let me show you a bit of what I'm talking about. As you can see, I've actually zoomed out a bit so you can see the flow. See, you get good movements going down, going up. This particular day, it moved a little bit to the side, but as you can see, you get still a good trade, trending. About on two good moves there. See, trending, uptrend. See, you have a choppy sideways, but the previous before, you had a good downtrend. Day before, you had a good uptrend, and that's what you're looking for. As for the USD Jappy, let me show you. I'm gonna zoom out. As you can see, look. The 3rd of June, sideways. It's clear until almost the end of the day. You have a good trend to the downside. 2nd of June 2016, sideways market. See? And what you need, sideways market again. Up market, sideways market, sideways basically. What you actually need is a good trend, whether it be to the upside or the downside of the market, in order to make money off both Forex and binary option, because you know sideways market will kill you. It will kill you. There's no way to trade, honestly. This right here. Okay, so the rules for the system in trading both Forex and binary option is I have my MACD and I use moving average. As you already know, all of the settings that I'm using are custom settings, right? Okay, let's get started. First, we don't trade the first 2 hours of the market. We always try to avoid that, right? That being said, as you can see right here, my moving average is below on the MACD. That means I'm in a down move. Also, my custom moving average that's on my chart right here tells me that I'm in a downtrend along with the arrow signal right here. Immediately when you get this signal, you enter for 75-minute expiry. That being said, that would be 5 candlestick because we're on a 15-minute time frame. And the reason why I choose this currency pair is because it's a currency pair that it gives you movements, and you really need movements to win people. You don't want something that's really close. Binary option is gambling enough as it is. You want to make sure that you're winning with a good margin, right? See, you get a cross up here, but you wouldn't take this because right away you know it's a fake out. The MACD is still below, your moving average is still below, so you'd wait for a down move, a down signal here, and let me get into that for you. I'm just going to use a blue vertical line to indicate where your entry will be. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You would have won that trading binary, right? As you can see, the market is practically going up, right? So you see this move here on the downside with that low volume here, you would not take it. Even though you mark these below, you can just look at it. See, the band is way too close. That tells me there's going to be a crossover, right? You leave it be, people. See, you get that up signal here, you would not take it. Reason being, the MACD is still below. If you're trading binary with this entry here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you'd have lost that. Definitely. 6, you lost that. 7, lost that. 8, still would have lost that, no matter how many candles you have here, because it's not the trend. The trend is your friend. Okay, alright, so here we go again. We have a crossover here, but the MACD is on top right now. it's on top along with your moving average, you would not take this move because it will be a gamble. Okay, even though you have the MACD crossing down, you still have to wait for the moving average to cross back down, because you're using basically a 3-point confirmation. You're using your moving average on your MACD along with the MACD going up and down, along with your moving average arrow, and along with the bounces of the moving averages, with confirmation from your MACD, of course. Okay, now for your next entry would be right here where the MACD crosses over, where you get a bounce also off the line here practically. So this candle will have been your next entry for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candle expiry. Okay, so within this day alone, you'd have gotten 3 sure trades trading binary option. Okay, now let me show you what that would have been for you if you were trading Forex along with my strategy. First entry, the farthest the candle went down by was 51 points, 51 pips. Okay, your second entry, and this is a currency pair that moves overall, people. Your second entry would have been 37 pips. Because what I'm trying to tell you is that because binary option is such a surgical approach, and basically I look for an entry where I'm sure it's going to go into that direction. You don't have to worry about a hefty stop loss, people. So you can have your stop loss being 20 points while you're going for 50 points or 40 points with this strategy, a 1-to-1 ratio or a 2-to-1. As you can see, another entry here, as you can look, 1, 2, 3, 65 points, and it goes down 103 points, 165 pips. So it's even a more amazing tool for trading Forex. But with binary option, this will limit the amount of entry you get per day, but your trades will be sure. Let's move on to another day, and I'm gonna speed things up a bit, people. I'm just gonna mark the entries real fast here. As you can see, an uptrend. You ready for it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You see that one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 win. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right here. That's another win right here. Get a crossover here, but as you can see, you're still waiting for your MACD to the moving average to cross down on your MACD, so you still will not enter here. Okay, you see it's going up here, so even though you have a bounce here, it's tell you that it's going to be a change in trend. You wait for it for cross up back, then you cross back down. You don't change the last part of the day, but if you did, you'd have won this here for 5 candle expire, because as you can see, it's in a downtrend right now. Okay, so practically with this system, you guarantee 3 to 4 short trades with binary option daily. And if you're trading Forex, your entry would have been here, and you would have not led up, and you'd have made 180 points, 180 pips. Okay, and that's the 2nd of June 2016. This is the 3rd of June 2016, and then I'll move along to the 1st of June. I'm trying to not take up too much time with the video, so I'm kind of just rushing things a bit. As you can see, you enter here, you have a crossover, the MACD is below, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, good entry. MACD is still below, we have a cross up. As you can see, it's more of a range here, you know, and with this you definitely have to be careful, people. As you can see, the moving average and the MACD crosses up below. You wait for it to come down, which is practically right here off this bounce. You enter here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you win that trade also. MACD is still below, you get a signal to the upside, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you would have won that. But that's just the catchy thing about this, you know. Most person would say yeah and enter on this trade, but at the end of the day, it's luck, it's a gamble. Sometimes you win, sometimes you end up losing. You never know when you're going to end up on the wrong side of the trend, so you have to avoid that. We're in a downtrend, so you stick to the downside. All your entry, make sure it's correct, and on spot, and you work with it. 1 2 3 4 5, you win that right here. This one, you have a cross here. I wouldn't wait for the arrow. As a trader, sometimes I'll just take it here, because as you can see, the moving average totally cross, like give you a huge depth there, and the MACD is still below. 1 2 3 4 5. See, you would have won that. So you have gotten 4 trades on this day. And as for pips, well, I don't even need to tell you. All of them is in the 180 range in a day. It retraces back up, gives you 49 pips. I mean, oh come on. I hear people can't even make 10 pips trading Forex. And with binary option, it's very risky. That's why I've created this system. You understand? A lot of person probably think, hey, this is a joke. I mean, this is reality. I've been trading Forex for almost 2 years, and as a trader, I actively try to learn for myself. I was trading with Andy W. He gives you good signals, by the way, but some of the days he's off the trend. Nobody's perfect yet, but with this system, you actually yield results, both Forex and binary options, as long as you stick to the basics. As you can see, it's very simple, but it's also very accurate. Very accurate. Okay. Alright, let me just bring a point, a personal philosophy or a point of view right now to you guys. Okay. Say you have $300 in your account. Say you even have $100 in your account. You divide that by 3. You understand? You place 3 equal amount trade, because you know these trades take you like practically the whole day to see. Or you even risk $20 out of your $100 each day. You trade 5 days using my strategy. Alright? See? Your money is doubled within a week. Your money is doubled within a day. Right? If you're trading Forex and you're trading $1 per movement, you still make a ton of money using my strategy, because you still be scoring 100 pips. You still be scoring 50 pips with ease. Okay? You can't go wrong. Honestly. Look here. 1 2 3. That's it. If you're trading $100 movement, you'd have made $300, and it would have only took you like half a day. And the trades are so short. Because the trades are so short, you can even compound trade. You use $20, that's 20 times 2, 40, 40 times 2, 80, 80 times 2, 160. Because they're that accurate, you could compound trade, because it's on a 15-minute time frame. You're working with a trend. The trend is your friend. They hardly ever steer you around, people. Okay? And I'm out of time. So if you guys are interested, you'd like me to trade for you personally, all you have to do is invest to 50 to 100 US dollars with me, and I'll ensure that you get double return. Whether you want it to be weekly or you want it to be like within 3 days, it doesn't matter really to me. Okay? So it's all up to you guys. Thank you.